Hello comrades, this is Tim and I'm getting ready to put a dual sport tire on my Janus. This is the stock tire that comes on the rear and it's okay. I've got about 5,000 miles on one right now and it probably won't last another 3,000 to 4,000 miles, and I'm going to have some big rides coming up. So I consulted with my long distance riding guru who uses small displacement motorcycle, and he recommended the Avon Trail Rider, and this is the size that I'm going to put on it. It's got a little more width, but no big deal. There's plenty of room on the Janus. It's a tubeless tire, but I'm going to put a tube in it, of course, because the Janus wheels don't support tubeless tires. No biggie on that. And as you can see, the tread profile is a lot more aggressive. Well, I got the rear wheel removed from the Janus, got out my tire changing kit, and successfully removed the tire from the wheel. Next step, installing the new tire and inner tube, and then remounting it back on the motorcycle. All right, good news. I was able to mount the new dual sport tire on the rim using just the tools that I'll be carrying with me, and make sure that I got the tire rotation correct. And next thing is to install the tube. All right, well, that was a bear. It's probably been 40 years since I put an inner tube inside of a motorcycle tire, and I'm just having to learn all these skills again. Got it all done, got it pumped up, and it's looking good. Next thing is to mount it back on the motorcycle. I'm really looking forward to getting the motorcycle out on a few long distance rides now that things are opening up, and having the new dual sport tire is gonna make that much more interesting. I'm hoping to get 10 to 12,000 miles out of this tire, and if it works out well, I'll be using it in the Iron Butt Rally coming up June of next year.